occurring across the area today, Thursday and Friday. The weekly tone alert test of no weather radio. All hazards will be canceled for this week. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the Piedmont and...
When you hear that, you know that's never a good sign. Because we got a slight risk, ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell by the yellow light underneath my table of radios. Not only that, but if we go here, take a look. I'll try to imitate this in the Paul voice, so bear with me, okay? Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for Piedmont, North Carolina, Western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina for today and tonight. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.geohio.v on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Flash flood watch. Additionally, scattered thunderstorms today will be capable of dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning. A couple of the storms could also produce severe weather in the form of damaging wind gusts, hail as large as 1 inch in diameter, or an isolated brief tornado. Even following the end of the flash flood watch, conditions will remain favorable for localized heavy rainfall each afternoon Friday through Sunday. Spotters are requested to forward any reports of large hail, damaging winds, tornadoes, or flash flooding to our office. Now, let me ask you this. How in the name of fuck am I going to react when I get a tornado warning again like I did last month on July 23rd? Unbelievable. Well. Well. Here we go, I guess.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Rockingham, Stokes, and Surrey; in the following counties: in Virginia, Henry and Patrick. This is NOAA Weather Radio. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Stokes County, northwestern Rockingham County, the city of Martinsville in south central Virginia, Henry County, Franklin County in west central Virginia, eastern Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ferrystone State Park to Penns Store to Muir Meadows, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eden, Martinsville, Rocky Mount, Mayodan, and Madison. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Rockingham and Stokes; in the following counties: in Virginia, Henry and Patrick; and the Virginia independent city of Martinsville. Here is a special The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Campbell County in central Virginia, central Pennsylvania County, northwestern Halifax County, southeastern Bedford County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pittsville to Blair's, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alta Vista, Perth, Chatham, Gretna, and Rustburg. This includes the following location: Rustburg Airport. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including down trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Elk County, northeastern Georgia, southern Abbeville County, and upstate South Carolina until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles east of Albertson or over Lake Stromthurmond, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Abbeville, Calhoun Falls, Lake Stromthurmond, Bobby Brown State Park, Ricetown, and Lake Russell. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Albert, Georgia, and Abbeville, South Carolina. Here is a special weather statement.
TOR fucking NATO warning!
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for southern Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles southwest of Abbeville or near Calhoun Falls, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST.
Shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Specific location where it occurred.
Difficult to see and confirm.
Tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Daylight time for the following counties: Abbeville, South Carolina.
Damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Abbeville, South Carolina.
Holy shit, dude. Fucking tornado warning.
At least you got a tornado warning. I only got an SDR from my county, which apparently afterwards is canceled.
Yep.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in northeastern Georgia, northwestern Elbert County in northeastern Georgia, Hart County in northeastern Georgia until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles south of Carnesville to 4 miles southeast of Danielsville, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hardwell, Carnesville, Royston, Reed Creek, Lavonia, Gumlog, Bowman, Cannon, Franklin Springs, and Flowersville. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. or by posting on our Facebook page, or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia, Albert, Franklin, and Hart. A tornado warning until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Central Abbeville County. At 9:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles west of...
There's a tornado warning still.
Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northwest of Lawrence, or 5 miles west of Raycord, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fountain Inn, Gray Court, and Simpsonville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Conditions are favorable for the development of brief, weak tornadoes. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in South Carolina, Greenville, and Lawrence.